Hello students, welcome back to Smashub Web Development course. In this tutorial, we will learn about how to implement list in your HTML document. After this, we will also see how different HTML headings are used in the document. HTML lists allow web authors to group a set of related items in list. Like, for example, when we run this code, you observe the unordered and ordered HTML list. Now, let's take a look at both of them more briefly. First is the unordered list. An unordered list starts with the UL tag. Each item list starts with the LI tag. By default, all the list items are marked with bullets, that is, small black circles. Other than this, the list can have disk type bullets, square bullets, or no bullets. Now, let us see the bullets with the help of an example. In this, I have written the code for unordered car list. When we run this code, the list with bullets are displayed here. Next are the ordered list. An ordered list starts with the OL tag. Like unordered list, each item starts with LI tag. By default, items are marked with numbers. Apart from this, you can use uppercase letters, lowercase letters, lowercase Roman numerals, and uppercase Roman numerals too. Like, I have written the code for ordered car list. When we run this code, the list with numbers are displayed here. Next topic we will be going through is description list. A description list is a list of terms with a description of each term. Like, for example, I have written the code for food items in which a description of their origination is also mentioned. When we run this code, the output will look something like this. Now, let us concisely see how to use HTML headings in a document. HTML headings are basically the titles or subtitles that you want to display on a web page. The H1 tag defines the most important heading, while H6 tags defines the least important heading. Now let us look at the example. In this code, I have mentioned all the headings from H1 to H6. When we run this code, the variation of sizes of headings could be seen here properly. Thank you.